Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my Forex educational course available to all gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on gold monthly, I still think that we're going up for most likely a wave 5 right now. I see a 1, I see 3 waves down for the 2, I see a big uptrend for the 3, I see an ABC of 4, and I definitely think that we're in a wave 5. I do not think this wave 5 is over. I think we have a lot of resistance because we are back up to the highs, almost all-time highs on gold, but I still think we have a long ways to go to the upside to finish off this wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you kind of got to squish it down a little bit to fully understand this. But I think this first move up is a 1. I think this right here is a 2. And I think we're in a wave 3 right now. A wave 3 needs to go beyond the high of 100% Fibonacci of wave 1 extended off the bottom of wave 2. So if that's true that this is a wave 3, then this needs to end up looking something like this to finish off a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of probably wave 5. It needs to go beyond that 100% Fibonacci extension. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we do have a break of structure to the downside on the daily, which does at least prove to me that this last section of trend is over. But for me, I do see this as still being a correction to this move up. It is at the 61% Fibonacci level, so if it does make an impulsive move up, I would definitely consider that the end of a correction, and I would be ready to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down even more to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I can start to see what kind of looks to me like a downtrend for the A, looks like 3 waves up for the B, and another downtrend for the C. It's not really that convincing yet that the wave C is over, but we are bouncing off to 61% after making 3 waves down. So if it does go up, and if it does take out structure from the wave C, that's what will prove to me that the wave C is over, and that's what will tell me that we're back into an uptrend, and that we definitely want to continue to look for longs in an uptrend, especially on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, so far it's not really that convincing that this is the end of anything. Right now it kind of looks like an ABC correction. So if it bounces off one of these Fibonacci levels in a big way, big impulsive engulf and move it down, I would actually say that this is not the end of an ABC and that that's the end of a correction right there, and that it's actually continuing the downtrend. But looking at other dollar pairs, especially the indexes, I still think there's a very good possibility this is the end of a wave C. So if it does go up, if it does break structure, that's what will convince me that the wave C is over. And at that point, I would definitely continue to look for long entries at the end of every one of these ABC corrections I may see, especially on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.